In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in HugosWay using Bitcoin. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to the Deposit Funds tab, and then here you want to select a deposit method. So for me over here, of course, we're going to choose Bitcoin because that's the title of this video. And then here you want to select your wallet. I'm going to do USD. And then here, if you have any bonuses, you can do those as well. And then here you have to set your amount to deposit. I'm going to do $10 and I'm going to press deposit. And over here, it's going to take you to a separate page where basically you can go ahead and create your transaction. So here you'll be shown how much you actually have to pay to which address. So it says, please pay this amount of Bitcoin. And of course, this is the time you have to initiate a transaction. So 15 minutes. And then here, this is going to be your own personal wallet link you actually want to put in. So what you want to do then is you can just go to any of your wallets where you're holding some Bitcoin, like, I don't know, maybe Binance, Phantom, Coinbase, whatever you're using. You have to go and click on the send button and then basically send it using this address here. So click on copy over here, paste it in there, send to this address, or you can just click here. It's going to pop up a QR code. You can scan that with your app and you'll be able to send it right away. And then whenever you're ready, basically your amount is going to be credited to your account on here on HugosWay. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.